Good day, everyone. Our topic for today is about masonry and concrete works. Here is the table of contents. The learning objectives. At the end of the lesson, the students should be able to define masonry and concrete, understand what comprises a good proportion of a concrete mix, identify the different mixtures of cements and its byproduct S, list the methods in curing a surface concrete. Masonry is the art of building with stone, bricks, concrete blocks, or other similar materials. Masonry building materials includes stone, concrete blocks, terracotta. Stone is relatively strong under compression, but weak under tension. It is good for making walls and pillars, but poor as beam and roof structure. Stonework may be classified as ashlar stone, consist of carefully worked and joined stone blocks laid in parallel horizontal courses. Alternate course ashlar. When the installation of masonry blocks was arranged in alternate thin and thick courses, broken or random ashlar, stones of various sizes are used to make courses that are not continuous for the whole length of the whole. Rubble stone consist of irregular stones with good face for the wall surface. The gaps between stones are filled with small or broken stone and cement mortar. Bricks. Bricks are manufactured from clay and other materials processed into a workable consistency, molded to sizes, and fired in kiln to make them strong, durable, and attractive. Classification of bricks. Common bricks are made from clay called ordinary commercial bricks. Face bricks are made from clay material used on exposed exterior and interior masonry walls and other architectural applications where the size, color, and texture of bricks are given special importance. Calcium silicate bricks are made from clay or non-clay materials with alumina and silica used in furnace construction where resistance to temperature as high as 178 C is required. Bricklaying. Bricks are laid in horizontal or vertical layers using a string or nylon cord as a guide. The vertical position is guided by a plumb line. The mortar is placed in between the layers of brick to a thickness of about 3 to 10 millimeters depending upon the plan. When brick is laid, it is pressed slightly down into generous mortar bed and shoved into final position to ensure that the mortar is moderately pressed into the space between the bricks. The horizontal and vertical joints are filled with mortar. The wall is watertight. Mortar mixture and plaster mixture. Concrete hollow block, chi. Most widely used masonry material for all types of construction such as walls, partitions, dividers, fences, etc. It is a building module resembling large bricks that are molded from sand and cement. Cement is a powdery substance which reacts with water to form a cement paste, which is the actual cementing or binding medium in concrete. Hydraulic cement is a bonding agent that reacts with water to form a hard stone-like substance that is resistant to disintegration in water. It has a specific combination of silicate and aluminates of lime. Portland cement is widely used in various small and large constructions including roads and highways. Portland cement is not a brand but a type of hydraulic cement. 5 types of Portland cement. Type I used in general construction where the special properties are specified. Type 2 for general concrete construction exposed to moderate sulfate action or where moderate heat of hydration is required. Type 3 used where high early strength is necessary. Type 4 specified when high sulfate resistance is required. Portland cement is an amorphous silica that hardens as a silica gel by reacting chemically with alkali in the presence of water. Different mixtures. Water is acceptable for drinking purposes, is also satisfactory for use in concrete mixing. Admixture is a material other than water, aggregates, or Portland cement that is used as an ingredient in concrete added to the batch immediately before or during its mixing. Aggregates are inert materials. When bound together into a conglomerated mass by Portland cement and water form concrete, mortar, and plaster. The aggregates component is about 75% of the total mass of concrete. Two categories of aggregates. 1. Coarse aggregate or gravel is that partition of an aggregates that is retained on number for 476 sieve, which usually come from a. Natural gravel deposits which are formed by water, wind, or glacial action. B. Manufactured by crushing rock, stone, boulder, and large cobblestone. 4 kinds of common coarse aggregate: limestone or calcium-bearing materials, basalts, granite and related igneous rock, sandstone and quartzites, rock opal and chert. Fine aggregate or sand is generally the product of natural disintegration of silica-bearing or calcium-bearing rock. It is manufactured from large pieces of aggregate by crushing, grinding, or rolling. Concrete is an artificial stone as a result of mixing cement, fine aggregate, coarse aggregate, and water. The conglomeration of these materials producing a solid mass is called plain concrete. Concrete, in which reinforcement is embedded in a manner that the two materials act together in resisting forces, is called reinforcement concrete. Workability of concrete means the ability of fresh concrete to flow freely around the reinforcement and fill all the voids inside the form. Workability is also described as consistency, plasticity, and mobility. Strength of the concrete is measured in its ability to resist the stress caused by different forces. There are 3 types of concrete according to weight. A. Lightweight concrete. B. Medium stone concrete. C. Heavyweight concrete. Proper proportioning of a concrete mixture. Test of concrete. Various tests conducted are slump test and compression test. Mixing of concrete. Depositing of concrete. Here are the factors that regulates the strength of a concrete. Methods applied in curing surface concrete are as follows. Let's test your understanding. Read the instructions carefully before answering each items.